I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're in Davinci Resolve with your project open. Start in the Edit page so you can see tracks clearly. Click a clip to select it. This targets both video and audio layers. Once selected, make sure Waveform Display is enabled so you can visually confirm audio presence. You're doing this because visual waveforms help prevent muting the wrong section. They let you pinpoint exactly where noise or dialogue lives before you change any audio settings. Now remove the audio by either detaching it or muting the track. If you choose Detach Audio, right-click and separate the audio. This lets you delete or edit the audio independently while preserving the video. Alternatively, press the M button on the audio track header to mute everything on that track, faster for bulk removal. Once done, confirm there's silence by playing the timeline. This prevents accidental retention of background sounds and keeps your edit non-destructive if you need audio back. Finish by making sure exports contain no audio. Delete any detached audio clips or leave the track muted, and then go to the Deliver page. In the Export settings, uncheck Audio Export or select a video-only preset so render files have no audio channels. If your workflow requires a placeholder, insert a short silent audio clip to maintain timing. Troubleshoot by previewing the exported file locally. If audio remains, verify you didn't miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.